Today we will be going over my shredder. To start off, we will go to the shredder itself, like the main functioning shredder. So right here, this is a Precious Plastics version 3.3 shredder. Inside the shredder blades. The shaft diameter right here is 30 millimeters. I almost forgot to tell you, but the shredder is made of stainless steel. So here are some other parts of the shredder. This is the original handle for the crank. So the shredder also came with a hand crank as well. I just bought it with a hand crank. This is the hand crank itself. Over time, as you can see, it is pretty much beaten up. I used it a lot. And here's the original handle. As you can see, this is also very beaten up. Originally, this was right down here, this was all threaded. But me using the wood, basically the thread snapped. And so I had to replace this with this new wooden handle. As you can see, the design is much different. I chose an actual bolt to go all the way through here. And then I just put a washer and a nut on here. So there you have it. The next step is we're going to talk about the motor. Now this motor right here was originally a crane motor, but I modified it by taking it apart until I got to where the motor itself is. As you can see, the heat sink right here is made of aluminum, and here's the switch. This is the emergency stop switch. This goes up and down. And I have the motor connected to a 5 socket plugs. This socket plug right here is about 5/8. And let me check what the other one is. The socket plug right here is 3/4. And this socket plug right here, I'm pretty sure it's about 7/8. I'll have to double check. This right here is the assembly lock. So this area is basically how the shredder connects to the motor. And one thing about the motor is that this motor, since it's a crane motor, it's not really designed to go on and on and on. But it has enough time so that I can shred one water jug, clean another water jug, and then by the time I clean that other water jug, this motor will be cooled off and ready to go. So I basically have a system like that. Now this button right here, I'm not quite sure what it does. The final part of the shredder is the hopper. Now this hopper is all made entirely of HDPE that's been recycled. And this is all held with wood screws right here. Here and here and here. And all around. Here we got one bolt and another bolt. These two bolts basically hold the hopper to the shredder. In my next video, I will show you guys how to recycle HDPE and make a sheet out of it. That's all I have for the shredder. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.